Ciao everyone! Today we're gonna make this beautiful Caponata Siciliana. Al bacio, buonissima, like Mama used to make it. Oh, she also still make it. So stay tuned and I'll see you in a minute. Stay with me, let's make it together. No. Stay with me and don't forget okay. Stay with me and don't forget Hi, my name is Tatiana Vinci. I'm from Sicily, a part of Italy where the best food originates, if you know what I mean. Since I came to LA, people are always asking me how to make many of my recipes. So I decided to show you some of my favorites, like my grandma taught me. Buonissima. Today, I'm Tatiana the Garlic Head. Let's go and cook together. Ah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. Capito? Ciao! Ciao a tutti! Today we're gonna make Caponata Siciliana. I'm so excited to show you how my mom used to make it when I was living in Sicily. So, all you need is carrot, potato, eggplant, celery, zucchini, pepper, onion, and this is up to you really. I don't know, some people like it, like vinegar at the end, some people not. Olive oil obviously, tomato sauce or cherry tomatoes. I kind of use it both because I like a little bit of both. But you can choose or, you can choose either or both together like I'm doing it today. And then for the crunchy kind of taster at the end, I'm gonna add a little pine nuts. Okay, so let's start and I'll show you. It's very easy, very fun to make it and fast. So after I chopped all the vegetables, I'm gonna fry gently the onion. And once it's like a little goldish, I'm gonna add all the vegetables previously cut, very thin and small. So the juice, they taste a little bit better with the juice and stuff. It's better to cut them very small, okay? So this is what I'm gonna wait for. Let's wait a little bit. Low flame. Yep, a little bit low flame. And yeah, that's cooking already. So I'm gonna dump them all together at the same time and I'm gonna wait until they moist a little bit before I add the sauce, okay? And like I said before, I'm gonna use both little cherry tomatoes and a little bit of a tomato sauce, okay? I love mutti because mutti has a very sweet taste. I mean, it's not sweet like sugar, but it's sweet. And yeah, this is the one I really like, is a cherry tomato mutti. But I'm gonna wait and cook this for like, I guess 20 or 30 minutes. So until they're a little bit good, soft, moist vegetables, okay? So, and I'm gonna add a little bit white wine also, but a little bit later. So for now, I'm gonna make them stirring a little bit and make them soft. And we're gonna add a little bit of the tomato a little bit. So now that I'm cooking this for 20 minutes, the vegetables are already soft and we see. I have an idea. How about I'm asking my mom back in Italy if I can add some wine or not. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it really here live. Let's see, okay? I'm gonna put it on a speaker and see if the wine is a good idea or not.
Hello.
Hello mamma, ciao, come stai?
Ciao, bene, bene.
Io sto facendo il video per YouTube, lo puoi vedere tra 2 giorni o 3.
Ok.
Volevo domandarti una cosa, perché sto facendo la caponata siciliana. Buona, la nostra caponata siciliana. Metto il vino o non metto un po' di vino bianco? What do you think? I should add the wine or not?
Un pochino.
Un pochino? Ok, mamma. I'm gonna put a pochino vino bianco. Eh?
3 cucchiai almeno.
3 cucchiai? That was a half a glass. I don't know about the 2 spoons, but I did a half a glass. Ok. Ho messo mezzo bicchiere di vino. Va bene, sono super giù 3 cucchiai, vero?
Sì.
Ok, ciao. Niente, fra due. Ciao mamma, grazie. Ah, che bello. Che ore sono là? Che ore sono là? Che ore sono lì?
Le 12 e mezza.
Oh, it's midnight, 12:30. Ok. Ciao a tutti.
Ciao.
Ciao. That was a fun thing. Oh, my mom. I love her. She's nice. Yeah, so I add a little wine. I wasn't sure really. So some people add a little wine, some people don't add wine. So why not? So now that the food is a little bit soft, now that the vegetables are soft, I'm gonna add a little bit of tomatoes, okay? And I'm gonna start with the tomato, the cherry tomato. I'm gonna put all of it because yeah, they give more taste and they put it. Okay. So with that, I need a little bit of sugar, okay? Because it takes the acidity, the acid away. That's it. And very little. So that's enough. And I'm gonna add the stock, okay? Also because it gives more taste when you eat that. And I'm gonna sprinkle like this little stock. It's good. So now I cook again for another 20 minutes, okay? Should be pretty much cooked. In 20 minutes, I will say, yes, 20 minutes. But I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce, okay? So just a tiny bit, like I will say half a glass, just to give a little bit of richer sauce taste and sauce texture. Sorry about my English, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait and cook it for another 20 minutes. I think, yeah, like I said before, I think I'm gonna make it for 30 minutes. Yep. And yeah, this is really nice. So that you can dip bread, and you can eat this even cold once it's cooked. You can have a hot dish or cold also, because when you put it in the fridge, it's very good too to have as a side dish cold. You know, it's up to you. It doesn't have really rules. So I'm breaking the tomatoes here, splashing, which is not a good idea, but I like it. Okay guys, so I will cook it for 20 minutes and I'll see you back in 20 minutes. So now that we cooked this for 20 minutes about, it's almost ready, I'm gonna add the little pine nuts just to have the crunchy texture. It's almost ready, and you can notice that the tomatoes, it shrinks a little bit. So that's obviously when it's really ready. So you don't want to, you know, the tomatoes still raw. And then I can use or not the vinegar, okay, wine vinegar. So some people like it and some people won't use it. So you can try it both ways and you figure out if you like it. I honestly like it and I'm gonna add it a little bit. I turn it off so it doesn't evaporate completely. So that gives a little bit different taste. And you can have now a plate of warm Caponata Siciliana. And this is the caponata. I hope you enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe. Buonissima. But it's still hot, so I'm gonna blow. Buona, 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 molto buona. Ciao, see you next time.